Hi folks, it's Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart. Beautiful Chicago weather. This is a new arrival, a 2019 Ford Fusion SE Hybrid. So it's a beautiful black Fusion Hybrid with a 2-liter hybrid gas electric engine. So you're going to get 45 miles per gallon average with this combined. Got a chrome grille, HID headlamps, nice 17-inch 10-spoke nickel. These are optional wheels. Chrome surround window trim. It's got a nice deep trunk. Seats fold flat to extend the cargo space. It's got a rear camera, rear park assist. It's got all the safety features: blind spot, cross path detection. As you can see, accident avoidance, premium cloth seats with pattern inserts, rear air and heat, vents, power seats on both sides, an 8-way power passenger, and a 10-way power driver's seat. It's got 132,000 miles. We're going to have this beautiful hybrid. Everybody's looking for these cars for only $9,998. It's got navigation. It's got the 8-inch sync radio, 2 USB ports. It's got Wi-Fi, charging station for your phone, push button start, steering wheel controls for Bluetooth trip, cruise. There's your mileage, 134,558. Visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me directly, 708-473-2014. Thanks.